Alright, this is a Bittoken. The airdrop came out few months ago, and a lot of persons, influencers, have been farming it back to back aggressively. I don't know what you are still doing. What are you waiting for? You are watching to see if people will cash out at the end of the day. I want to surprise you. See, this airdrop is a very big project, not like all those airdrop we have been farming. At the end of the day, nothing comes out. Don't toy with this Bittoken, this BTT airdrop. Let me just follow me. Let me take you around the app and see what you ought to be doing. All right, every 24 hours, just try to come here, activate your mining. Then if you want to be mining on a higher rate, click on this booster. If you want your mining to be on a higher rate, click on this booster. Okay, then just only one USDT, deposit one USDT here to buy this boot miner, so that you'll be mining on a high rate. But it's not compulsory. If you don't want to be mining on a high rate, you can still be mining on a normal way, that's on a low key. Are you getting it? Now let's go back. Just follow me. Okay, every 3 hours you come and activate, claim your tokens. Then follow me. This, if you click on this team, if I just started, click on this team. This team is where you get your referral link here. Are you getting it? Copy your referral link, give to your community members, or send to your friends, your families, your loved ones. Let them join you to be farming this BTT token of your team. It's going to be mind-blowing at the end of the day. Don't play with this airdrop. Let's proceed. Okay, if at the end of this one is for people that have referrals, you always come here to claim your bonus. All these things, claim it. The moment you have referrals, at their mind, you'll be getting some percentage from your referrals. Are you getting it? Okay, let's proceed. Let's go to, I've shown you the mine, how to mine every 3 hours. Then let's go to N. Click on N. Okay, click on N. Let's what is there. Click on N. Before now, I've been able to, you come here, these are tax. You need to run it. My own is still under review. Run it. Okay, see mine. Maybe within 24 hours it will be activated. This is a way of gathering more Bittoken. Are you getting it? After this very one, I scroll up. This view yard, to click. If you click on this view yard now, let me click on it. I've just started. I've not finished. Okay, these are tags to YouTube. You need to watch their YouTube ads. Okay, to accumulate more. Can you see? I've not even started in this very one. Okay, come here, run the tags, watch the ads. All these are ads you watch to accumulate more of the Bittoken. Okay, just anytime you see any figure, claim it. Don't put anything there, claim it. Okay, this is a way of accumulating more of it. Let's go. Click on wallet. Let's check what is on wallet here. Okay, if you want to deposit, there's a room for KYC. If you want express KYC, is compulsory. You deposit 1 USDT here. Good. You click on this deposit. Okay, you deposit 1 USDT. Are you getting it? For your express KYC is compulsory. If you don't want to deposit any USDT, you can keep mining. Then you be the one to apply. So maybe when they invite you for KYC, I don't know how many months it's gonna take. But if you want to get your KYC within 72 hours or 42 hours, just deposit 1 USDT here. Under 24 to 48 hours, you be approved of your KYC. Are you getting it? Good. Only 1 USDT. This P2P, people have said is where you will be. This KYC you're able to sell. Yeah, you'll be able to sell your BTT. Are you getting it? Through P2P. This withdrawal option is, can you see? It's here. As your money, you'll be getting your commission. Now, one BTT, one Bittoken is at 0.5. Is see this is what I have been able to got what I got yesterday for you to see that I just started. This is the price. Okay, so don't be afraid, just go through this very well. Provisional life conversion rate, current rate, rp, this rp will convert to btt, this rp will convert to btt when the time comes. Okay, so accumulate more of this token. If you find this video helpful, don't fail to subscribe, comment, share and like. See my next video.